G'day everyone, hope all's well with you, and today is Old School Thursday, and we have a mixer. We are doing Score of 88. We are doing 92-93 Series 1 Clear Ultra. We are doing everything upside down here, looks like. We got a 1992 Series 1 Pinnacle Baseball. We have Series 2 Hockey from 92-93 Ultra. Series 1 1992 Donruss. Series 2 1992 Donruss. Got a Series 2 Pinnacle from 92 Baseball. We have a 1992 Studio Edition. Got the 89 Donruss. 1991 Pinnacle Score Pinnacle, as it was known back then, but it's Pinnacle. Premier Edition for football. Channel favorite, 1992 Upper Deck Baseball. This one was actually hand given to me by CD Baseball Card Collector when I went and my work sent me out to work with him. And then we have the Series 1 1991-92 NBA Hoops. So, as usual, I'm going to go ahead cheap out of the way. No, you get Nolan Ryan, Barry Bonds. Robert Jr. Jim Presley, Candy Maldonado, Phil Bradley from White Sox, Kurt Wilkerson, Brett Butler, Brian Fisher, that thing. Tony Phillips, former White Sox. Steve Butchell, former White Sox. Joe Sambito. Juan Castillo. Phil Gardner. Mitch Williams. Todd Benninger. Gary Redus from my White Sox. Oz again from my White Sox. Dave Engel. And a rookie prospect of Randy McGill. Not too much to go through that one. Let's go ahead and go through the Series 2. Okay. And Adrian Calvis, can get some stickiness. Steve Conroy. Shane Churilla. Brian Bellows. Ted Donato, rookie card. Steve Chase. Got a Drake Bruhowski, rookie. Kevin Dahl, Dave Christian, Ken Hodge. Get somebody in the Blackhawks and the Winnipeg Jets. Keith Jones, rookie. Kevin Miller, and a Mike Needham, a rookie. Jeff Bullard, Gary Redus, former White Sox. Jay Buhner, Kevin Brown, Ivan Calderon, former White Sox. Otis Nixon, Bob Malecki, Rick Aguilera. There we go, a rated rookie, Kenny Lofton. Nice. That was a Vin Man, Robin Ventura from my White Sox. And Eric Hansen, Bill Gullickson, Harold Baines, former White Sox. Mike Polarigo, and Don Paul from my White Sox. And Kenny Lofton was a former White Sox for like half a year. Yeah, Cecil Fielder. Hey, the big hurt baby. A little bit of some whiting on there from the cut. That's okay. I got a new favorite right here. Ken Lofton was the favorite so far. Actually, we should sleeve up Kenny. There's a rated rookie, so. Kevin Setzer. Ruben Sierra, former White Sox. Devon White. Laney Dykstra. Somebody's singing there. Dwight Smith. There's a Darryl Strawberry Shades. Spike on. Carl Eldred, rookie prospect. Carlos Garcia, rookie prospect. Pete Shurik. Felix Jose. Tim Walsh. Randy McGillen, and a Kurt Manwaring. So far, doing pretty good. See if we can continue our look. Got a Mo Sanford rookie, Raider rookie. Yorkis Perez. Rosario Rodriguez. Calvin Jones. Eric Bullock. There's a Joe Carter highlights. John Wiener. Hector Villanueva. Cal Eldred. Damon Berryhill. Junior Noboya. Dave Anderson. Willie Frazier. Brian Williams, Raider rookie, and a Tim Herring. So there goes the streak with 2 packs. I got a Donnie Baseball and a Rod Carew. Chris Gardner, rated rookie prospect. Got a Man of Steel right there. Brian Williams, rated rookie prospect. There's a Brian Jordan, rookie prospect. Got a Herbie Brooks. Bobby Witt. Brent Maine. Tim Burke. There's a Mike Maddox. There's a Rob Deere. Trevor Wilson. Brian Downing. Louis Salazar. Some stickers going on here. Rich DeLucia. And Pedro Guerrero. Not that Pedro. Got a Lou Whitaker. Hey, Darryl Strawberry, baby. Brent Maine, Tim Walsh, Joe Kyle, Hall of Famer Alan Trammell, Mike Sharperson, Norm Charlton. There's Joey Bell, Alejandro Cedeno, Travis Fryman. And there you go, Wayne. There's an Earl. First size. Got an Ed Oslak. Checklist. Don't know who. Got a Kelly Hurdy from my Los Angeles Kings. Got a Bobby Smith. Eric Weinrich. Dave Paulin. Jim Peake. Steve Tuttle. Dominic Rochelle. Rookie. Igor Kravchuk. Chris Terry. Gary Roberts. Shane Corson. And a Paul Broughton. Got a Morton Anderson. There's John Elway. Mark Bortz. There's Warren Moon, baby. Hall of Famer. Drew Hill, one of his receivers. There's Michael Irvin, Hall of Famer. Blair Thomas. David Fletcher. Mike Correll, rookie. Ricky Irvin's rookie. Aaron Craver, rookie. And a Roman Pfeiffer, rookie. We got a channel favorite right here. Let's see what we can get. Will we get the Manny? Will we get who else is this? Oh, there's also 92. Gary Cotta. Tim Goodwin, star rookie. Doug Drayback, former White Sox. Teddy Higuera. Walt Weiss. Pat Tabler. Mickey Templeton. There's John Kruk, former White Sox. Edgar Martinez. Marquise Grissom. Roger McDowell, always a jokester. Rafael Ramirez. Roberto Kelly. Barry Jones. And Chico Walker. Okay. So let's get this Jordan out of here and out of the way. That was John Paxson from my Chicago Bulls. Screw that guy. Now Charles Jones. Olden Polynice. Joe Dumars. Tom Tolbert. Michael Cage. Ricky Pierce. Isaiah Thomas. Bobby Hansen. There's Charles Barkley, baby. Trent Tucker. Johnny Dawkins. Chief, former Bull. And Sam Benson. Alright, now let's pull our second Griffey Raider rookie out of here. William McGahee was our setup guy the last time. R.J. Reynolds, Mike Bodiger, Sean Hilligetts from the White Sox, John Moises, Andy Van Slyke MVP, got a checklist. Diamond Kings of Kevin Sesser, Wally Joyner, Will the Thrill, Mark Parent, Hal Morris, Neil Allen, Mike Andretti, Jack Savage, and Rafael Ramirez. No doubles on King Griffey there, but those are our three best cards right here. So like the video, helps out a lot. Comment down below what your favorite card was. Of course, mine's going to be Frank Thomas. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. I will sub you back. If you're not subscribed, thank you very much. Make sure your notification bell set to all. That way you get all notifications when I put on content, and I will talk to you later.